Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by containing the infection. Disconnect network access immediately so the malware cannot communicate or spread. Once offline, force close and stop any apps behaving oddly. That prevents further activity while you investigate. Make sure to disable background syncing and notifications to avoid reactivating hidden services. If normal disconnection fails, flip airplane mode or power off the device briefly to break active connections. This step buys you time to run scans and prepare for cleanup without the virus contacting servers. Once contained, reboot into safe mode or diagnostics so only core services run. This prevents persistent malware from blocking removal. Then install a trusted antivirus or anti-malware app from the official store and run a full scan. Let it quarantine or delete flagged items. After detection, manually uninstall any suspicious apps and clear their cache and app data to remove leftover components. Make sure to restart normally and run a second scan to confirm the device is clean before reconnecting to the network. You finish by restoring security and recovering data. First, change passwords and two-factor settings using a different, known clean device so credentials aren't captured. If scans removed core files or you suspect persistence, restore from a backup made before infection or perform a factory reset. Make sure backups are malware-free. Once restored, update the OS and apps and reinstall only vetted apps. If problems continue or you see strange charges or behavior, contact professional mobile security support for deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.